Good morning, first grade. I hope everybody had a wonderful long weekend and you were able to relax, enjoy, do something fun, and really take advantage of your extra day off this weekend. Can't wait to hear about how your weekends went. So today is Tuesday, October 13th, 2020. It is the 29th day of school. So we're almost ready to make a trade with our coins. So think about what we'll be able to do tomorrow. But let's see, today is you have gym or physical education for your special at 11:45. And before we get into the schedule for today, if you would like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance, go ahead and do that. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay. All right. And actually, before we get into our schedule, I have two math problems up on the board, 1 plus 51 and 2 plus 51. So we've been talking a lot about different strategies or shortcuts that we can use when solving different math problems. And I just wanted to kind of get you thinking a little bit. If we keep in mind those strategies, things that we've learned, like using our counting sticks or counting on, how could you use those strategies to solve problems like this that have greater numbers in it than what we've been working on? Do you think you can use those strategies to help you solve these problems? I want you just to think about that for a little bit. All right, so today, Tuesday, coming out first thing this morning, there will be your application problem for math. There will also be a new fluency passage. So last week we recorded the fluency passage that went along with the BiblioBurrow. So this week there is a new fluency passage and a short video going along with it because it's based on a book that we haven't read yet. So the video explains the book and then the activity will show you the passage and where it is in your workbook. So we'll do the same routine with that as we did with the last one. So if you could just practice at least every day, and then I'll let you know when it's time to record when it's time to record. It's a poem and there's some rhyming. I think you're going to enjoy it. I know I think it's a fun one to read, so I hope you find the same thing. There also will be an activity that goes along with our new text in Wit and Wisdom. So you'll see that come through first thing this morning as well. And then you'll preview and we'll go through the text together in the learning video with me. And then when we're finished with that, you will make a Flipgrid video sharing something that you wondered about the new text. So I explain everything in the activity, so just check that out. Then at 10 for our 10 a.m. class, we'll do word building. And these are the letters that you'll need for today. I'll type them in the agenda, but it is EIKLMNPSTUW. So I know there's a few more today than we've had in the past. So try to put them in alphabetical order to make it a little bit easier, but those will be our letters. And if you can bring a blank dictation, and then you'll send the dictation and the decodable after our 10 a.m. class, and then we'll meet again at 1 for our math, and we'll be working on lesson 23. And if you could just bring your workbooks and dry erase sleeve and marker, that would be great. All right, I also wanted to let you know about something new I'd like to try this week coming up. I mentioned it last week on one of our class calls, but tomorrow, Wednesday, in the morning, you will get an activity coming through at 9 with an optional Google Meet and a time. So it will either be at 11 or at 2. These are what I'm calling our snack and chats, and it's just an optional Google Meet if you would like to join at your time using the link in the activity that you're assigned. And it's just to really just kind of chat. If you want to bring a snack and we can just chat, it'll give you a chance to talk with some of your other classmates. I've split our class into two smaller groups, just randomly let the computer put us into two groups. And so I'm thinking each week on Wednesdays we'll have this where your times and the people that you're with will change. So it will give us an opportunity just to kind of get to talk to everybody and just without it won't be a lesson, it won't be completing any work or any activity. It will strictly be just for kind of chatting and hanging out and, getting to just kind of hang out. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm looking forward to it. And again, if it's completely optional, so if the time doesn't work out, if it's too much in your schedule, no problem. But let me know if you have any problems, and I will see everybody soon. And I can't wait to get this week started. All right, have a good one. See you soon.